Buying an RV is a big decision, but what most people don't realize is what comes after the purchase is just as important as the RV itself. Here at Worldwide RV, we've built our process making sure that you're actually set up for the road, not just sold an RV. As a family-owned and operated RV dealership here in the Arizona Valley, we want to make sure all of our customers are taken care of. So here's a list of 3 memberships you get when you buy an RV from us. First up is Priority RV Network. With Priority RV, you get access to a nationwide service network to help you get service faster on your RV. That means less waiting and more time actually enjoying your RV. Next is Safe Ride RV Road Assistance. Things happen on the road. Flat tires, lockouts, towing needs. That's why we include a free year membership to Safe Ride RV Road Assistance. It's just one less thing you have to worry about when you're out traveling with your family. And last but not least, Harvest Host. This is one of the favorites that we offer here at Worldwide RV because this gives you access to thousands of different camping spots. We're talking about wineries, farms, golf courses, places you otherwise wouldn't be able to camp at and probably have never even heard of before. Here at Worldwide RV, we're not just here to sell you an RV, we truly want you to enjoy every ounce of your purchase. So if you have any questions about how any of this works or you're looking to get into an RV, reach out to the team. We'd be happy to help you. Again, my name's Isabel here at Worldwide RV. We'll hope to see you soon.